Good morning, students. I hope you are all fine and doing well in your studies at your home. So, in the last lecture, I had given you some questions based on your HCF and LCM. So, today I am giving you the solution. So, you have to take care that by which method the HCF and LCM is asked from you. So, first question is you have to find out the HCF by prime factorization method. जैसे कि आप जानते हो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड क्या होता है. यू हैव टू फैक्टराइज द नंबर using the prime numbers. So first of all you will prime factorize all the numbers as shown here, and then you will write like this. HCF, I had firstly told you also that HCF is the common factors which is common in all the three numbers. So means 2 and 5 are only the factors which are common in all the three numbers. So HCF will be 2 into 5 equals to 10. So B part is there 27, 36, 41. Same you have to calculate it by the prime factorization method. First of all you will do it with prime factors. Means first of you will prime factorize all the numbers and then you will write like this, and which is common that you have to take. So 2, 3 are common in all the numbers, so you will take 3 into 3, that your LCM will be HCF will be 9. No any other factor is common in all the three, so the HCF will be 3 into 3 only, that is your 9. Now the C part is you have to find out the HCF by the division method. So you will divide 46 and 69. So if you will divide like this, then you will get your HCF equals to 23. Here the remainder is 0, and the divisor of the last division will be your HCF. Now next question I had given to you the LCM. You have to find out the LCM by the division method. So first is your division method is the important method also, because in future when you have to calculate the LCM you will use this method to calculate the LCM. So first of all you will write like this, and then you will take out the LCM using this method by first taking the prime numbers and then doing like this, and then by multiplying these numbers in the last, then you will get your LCM. So answer will be your 504. Last question I had given you to find the LCM by the prime factorization method. First of all, prime factorize means you have to prime factorize all the numbers as shown here. So you will write like this, and this LCM will be your highest, greatest time the factor is repeating. So here 2 is repeating one time, here no, it is not repeating, here 2 is not repeating, here 2 is repeating 2 times. So maximum you will take 2 times. Here 3 is not there, 3 is one time, here not there, so 3 we will take one time. Here also 5 one time and one time, so you will take 5 one time only. So the LCM you got after doing this will get your 6, you will get 60s. So I hope you are able to understand the questions. Try to do the more questions, make the practice of this, so that you can be able to do the HCF and LCM in fractions of minutes. So I think this is all for today. Thank you.